Introducing the CE Programs Online Help Center, your new resource for guidance and support as you work with CE programs. In the Help Center, you'll find release notes, step-by-step instructions, and tutorials for using all of CE Programs' features. Whether you're a brand new or experienced user, the Online Help Center will help you get the most out of CE programs. You can access the Online Help Center from directly within CE Programs. Simply open the Profile menu and select Help Center. And there we go. So let's walk through how to use the Help Center. First, how to find help topics. We've organized the help topics into collections that you can browse from the home page. Simply click on one of the collection cards to read the topics in that collection. If you're a new CE Programs user, we recommend you check out the Get Started with CE Programs collection. These topics introduce you to CE programs, walk you through creating your profile, and show you how to get around the user interface. The Application Workflow collection walks end users through the CE programs workflow, from adding new clients to managing referrals and enrollments, and logging attendance. If you're a power user or administrator, the Program and Provider Management card walks you through setting up your agency's programs and providers. To browse frequently asked questions, click the FAQ card. To stay up to date on the latest release, click on the Release Notes card. Here you'll find the release history and the updates on the latest features and fixes. As you're viewing a collection, you can click on a topic name from the navigation menu to jump directly to it, or use the navigation arrows at the top right to read through topics page by page like a book. You can also find help topics using the built-in search engine at the top of the Online Help Center. The Help Center will show you topics that match the search terms you enter. Click on a topic name from the results list to read more. Now here are some tips as you read through the help topics. When you see a gray plus sign, click on it to expand the text underneath. Then click again to collapse the text so it's out of your way. To see any thumbnail image in full size, just click on it. Then click again to minimize it. You can always get back to the Help Center homepage by clicking the logo at the top left. The quick links on the right-hand side give you quick access to CE programs, the support team, and the Automon corporate website. And there you have it. With the CE Programs Online Help Center, help is just a click away. Just sign in to CE Programs, open the Profile menu, and select Help Center. Thanks for watching.